Hey guys, my name is Chaitanya Snuri and today we're going to install the Temasek ROM version 9.8, which is a unofficial cyanogen mod. So first of all, we're just going to power off our device. So the ROM is for the Galaxy S3 I9300. So the device is just turning off. And now we're going to go into the recovery mode. And to do that, we're just going to press volume up key, home key and power key at the same time. And now we're going to let go of the power key. So you can see that the device is booting into the custom recovery, and we're going to go in wipe and advanced wipe, and we're going to select Dalvik cache, system, data and internal storage. It's up to you if you want to wipe your internal storage or not. So we're going to swipe to wipe. So we're going to go back and we're going to go in install, and we're going to select the micro SD card because the ROM is in my micro SD card. And now we're going to select the CM13 Unofficial Temasek I93 version 9.8, and we're going to swipe to confirm flash. So this is a AOSP based ROM, and it is very light. It is about 300 MBs, so it is really light. So now we're just gonna reboot the system. And this is the Temasek ROM startup animation. So the Android is starting and optimizing the apps. And now we're just gonna quickly set it up. And now we're just gonna go in settings and about device, and as you can see that the Android version is 6.0.1, which is the marshmallow. And as you can see that the build number is version 9.8 and the kernel is enforcing. And I think that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.